everyone, I'm teacher Al. Welcome to my channel. Today is a continuation of our how to solve fraction word problem. Number 6 problem. Maria spent 3/8 of her money and had 60 pesos left. How much did she have at first? Our solution, we have also to follow to understand the problem. And understand the problem, we have to pick up the given. We have to make two columns, one for the fraction and one for the amount. So the given fraction 3/8, which is equal to question mark, is we do not know the amount of 3/8, and the 5/8 is equivalent to 60 pesos, and 8/8 also we do not know. Now, to solve the problem, we have to divide 60 divided by 5/8. And then we will use the reciprocal method. 60 times, we have to inverse the fraction 8/5. It becomes now 8/5. Then horizontal multiplication, 60 times 8 equals 480 divided by 5. Then 480 divided by 5 equals 96 pesos. So therefore, our complete answer now is Maria had 96 at first. Okay, next, number 7 problem. Mario poured 5.5 liters of iced tea drink into 6 glasses. How much iced tea was in each of glass? Okay, the same. We're going to our solution. We have the given 5 1/5 liters of iced tea, then 6 glasses. Then plan what to do is, of course, we're going to divide. Then solve the problem. 5 1/5 divided by 6. Then the mixed number changed to improper fraction first. So 5 times 5 equals 25 plus 1 equals 26/5 divided by 6/1. Then we will use the reciprocal method. 26/5 times, we have to inverse the 6/1, becomes now 1/6. Then the horizontal multiplication, 26 times 1 equals 26, 5 times 6 equals 30. Then we're going to reduce by dividing both numerator and denominator by 2. 26 divided by 2 equals 13, and 30 divided by 2 equals 15. Then if we are going to divide 13/15, our answer is 0.87 liters. Our complete answer, each glass had 0.87 liter.